Hi guys, today we are going to make one of the trendiest thing on the internet, that is Dalgona coffee. But we are not making Dalgona coffee, we are doing something interesting with coffee, that is Dalgona coffee marshmallows. For that first we need a pan. So I already covered a pan with butter paper. Now we need mixture of sugar and corn flour for dusting. I'm using half cup of powdered sugar and 1/4 cup of corn flour here. I'm making a small batch of marshmallows here. You can increase the quantity if you want. Friends, I have made marshmallows before and I will put its link in the description box below. Now here I am using 1 tablespoon of gelatin, and this is wet gelatin. Mix this gelatin with 1/4 cup of normal water and stir it very well and keep it aside for about 10 minutes. Now for the sugar syrup, take half cup of sugar and 1/4 cup of water in a pan. Stir it very well to make sugar syrup. Keep your stove flame medium. Let it boil, and now we will check that our sugar syrup is ready or not. So we will take a bowl filled with water and put a drop of sugar syrup in it. If the drops form a ball kind of thing or it doesn't move, then it means your sugar syrup has been made. And now I'm adding gelatin mixture into it and stir it very well until it gets fully mixed. Now keep your gas switch off. Now I'm adding half teaspoon of coffee essence into the mixture, and if you don't have coffee essence, mix half teaspoon of coffee powder with a little bit of water. Beat it for about 10 minutes and transfer the mixture into a grease pan. I'm using half mixture as it is, and I'm adding brown color in half of the mixture to give it a Dalgona coffee look. Now we are going to give it the look of Dalgona coffee, which is brown above and white below. Now we will put the brown mixture on top of the white and give it a swirl effect using toothpick or knife, whatever you have. After giving the swirl effect, I will keep it in the fridge overnight or 6 to 24 hours to set. If you love coffee, then you will definitely gonna love this. Coffee and marshmallows, what a great combination. So after 12 to 14 hours, our marshmallows are finally ready. Now let's cut it into pieces. For that we need a good amount of sugar and corn flour mixture. Dust this mixture into your knife also so that you will cut very easily. Now you can see how soft these marshmallows have become. Texture is also very good. You can brush the sugar on top and store up to 2 weeks. If you like my video, please do subscribe to my channel. And friends, tell me in the comment box below what kind of video you would like to see. Do try this Dalgona coffee marshmallows and tag me. Bye from now. Take care guys.